Ethereum value equivalent to $16.54 a coin. The present reach. $1,646, $1,744. The earlier day close. $1,733. The change was 4.56%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $1671. Greatest cost $2,074, least cost $1,671. The normal for the month $1,819. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,860, change for October 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $1,860. Greatest cost $2,135, least cost $1,697. The normal for the month $1,922. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,995, change for November 7.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $1,995. Most extreme cost $2,168, least cost $1,884. The normal for the month $2,018. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $1,796. Most extreme cost $1,845, least cost $1,603. The normal for the month $1,742. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,724, change for February 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $1,724. Greatest cost $1,904, least cost $1,654. The normal for the month $1,765. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,779, change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 20. Greatest cost $1,957, least cost $1,701. The normal for the month $1,817. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,829, change for May 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,829. Greatest cost $2,227, least cost $1,829. The normal for the month $1,992. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,081, change for June 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with cost at $2,081. Greatest cost $2,252, least cost $1,958. The normal for the month $2,099. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,105, change for July 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $2,105. Most extreme cost $2,613, least cost $2,105. The normal for the month $2,316. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,442, change for August 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Before all else cost at $2,442. Most extreme cost $2,442, least cost $2,102. The normal for the month $2,312. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,260, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $2,260. Greatest cost $2,260, least cost $1,765. The normal for the month $2,046. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,898, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at $1,317. Greatest cost $1,317, least cost $1,070. The normal for the month $1,214. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,150, change for December 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $11.50. Most extreme cost $1,427, least cost $1,150. The normal for the month $1,265. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,334, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $13.34. Most extreme cost $1,586, least cost $1,334. The normal for the month $1,434. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,482, change for February 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $14.82. Greatest cost $1,482, least cost $1,159. The normal for the month $1,342. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,246, change for spring 15.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $12.46. Most extreme cost $1,300, least cost $1,130. The normal for the month $1,223. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,215, change for April 2.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $12.15. Greatest cost $1,508, least cost $1,215. The normal for the month $1,337. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,409, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at $14.09. Most extreme cost $1,748, least cost $1,409. The normal for the month $1,550. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,634, change for June 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. At the outset cost at $16.34. Most extreme cost $1,971, least cost $1,634. The normal for the month $1,770. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,842, change for July 12.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2026. To start with cost at $18.42. Greatest cost $2,287.